How often do you find yourself lost in a generic workout plan that just doesn't seem to fit your needs? The frustration is all too common. You're fired up, ready to commit to a healthier lifestyle, but the workout plans available seem to be made for everyone, but you. They're too generic, too broad, leaving you feeling like a fish out of water. You're either stuck trying to keep up with a routine that's too advanced, or you're bored to tears with a program that doesn't challenge you enough. And then there's the risk of injury. Without a plan that's tailored to your fitness level, you're pushing your body in ways it's not ready for. Or you're not seeing the results you crave because the plan isn't targeting your specific needs. It's a cycle of disappointment, and it's enough to make anyone want to throw in the towel. But what if there was a way out of this fitness funk? It's time to consider a solution that truly understands you and your fitness journey. Introducing the AI Personal Trainer, a revolution in fitness technology. This is not your average workout plan. This is a dynamic, responsive system designed to adapt to your unique physical profile. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket, constantly analyzing your data to tailor your workouts. Heart rate, step count, sleep patterns, even your mood swings. All these and more are factored in to create a workout routine that fits you like a glove. Imagine a world where your fitness journey is not dictated by generic workout plans, but instead guided by a system that understands your body, your goals, and your lifestyle. A world where your workouts are as diverse as you are, catering to all ages, body types, and fitness levels. No more guesswork, no more frustration. Welcome to a workout plan that evolves with you. Embrace the future of fitness with the AI Personal Trainer. How does an AI personal trainer give you an edge over generic workout plans? Well, the secret sauce is in the data. You see, an AI personal trainer isn't just a workout plan. It's a dynamic, evolving program that's built around you. It collects data from your activities, tracking metrics such as your heart rate, steps, and even your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal fitness scientist crunching numbers and analyzing trends around the clock. But it doesn't stop there. This data becomes the foundation for your personalized workout plan. The AI trainer takes into account your current fitness level, your personal goals, and even your daily schedule. It then crafts a workout regimen that's uniquely yours, designed to push you, but always within safe limits. Now, the magic happens when this data analysis is put into action. Your AI personal trainer isn't static. It's constantly learning, adjusting, and evolving. Just finished a grueling workout and feeling a bit sore? Your AI trainer will adapt, perhaps recommending a lighter session or a rest day. On a roll and breezing through your workouts, it'll step up the intensity to keep you challenged. This level of real-time adaptability is something that generic workout plans simply can't offer. It's like comparing a one-size-fits-all suit to a tailor-made one. There's just no competition. What's more, an AI personal trainer doesn't just help you avoid plateaus, it helps you conquer them. By constantly mixing up your routine and introducing new exercises, it ensures that you're always making progress. It's like having a personal cheerleader, always pushing you to reach new heights. And let's not forget about motivation. We all have days when we're not feeling it, but your AI trainer is always there, offering that extra nudge, tracking your progress, and reminding you of how far you've come. With an AI personal trainer, you'll always be on the path to progress. It's not just about working out. It's about working out smarter, safer, and more efficiently. So why settle for a generic plan when you can have a workout that's custom-built for you? What's it like to train with an AI personal trainer? Imagine having a personal fitness coach right at your fingertips, accessible at any time, anywhere. This is the AI personal trainer experience. Let's walk you through it. First, you'll download a user-friendly app on your phone. The interface is clean and intuitive, designed to make your fitness journey as seamless as possible. You'll then create your personal profile. Here, you'll input your fitness level, goals, and preferences. Do you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or just improve your overall fitness? The AI trainer is here to help you achieve all that and more. Once your profile is set, the AI trainer springs into action, creating a workout routine that's tailored just for you. But it doesn't stop there. The AI trainer is dynamic, adjusting your workouts as you progress, ensuring you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. You'll notice an option for customization. This is where the AI trainer really shines. You can customize your workouts based on your preferences. Prefer yoga over weightlifting? The AI trainer will incorporate more yoga sessions into your routine. Do you have a busy schedule? No worries, the AI trainer can adapt your workouts to fit your lifestyle. But what about motivation? After all, that's one of the key aspects of a successful fitness journey. And this is where the AI trainer takes it a step further. It provides encouragement and feedback, keeping you motivated and on track. It celebrates your milestones, pushes you to beat your personal best, and helps you stay consistent in your routine. It's like having a supportive friend who's always there to cheer you on. And the best part? Seeing your progress. The AI trainer tracks your fitness journey, providing detailed reports and analytics. You'll see how far you've come, how much you've improved, and what you can work on to reach your fitness goals. Stay motivated, stay on track, and watch as your fitness goals turn into reality. That's the AI personal trainer experience. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Are you ready to transform your fitness journey with the power of AI? Imagine a world where every workout, every exercise, every rep is tailored to your body. A world where your personal trainer is as unique as you are, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, and goals like the back of their hand. This is the world of the AI personal trainer. It's time to say goodbye to generic workout plans that leave you feeling lost or injured. It's time to embrace a fitness program that evolves with you, one that understands and adapts to your lifestyle. It's time to experience the thrill of achieving your dream goals with a routine that's always fresh, always challenging, yet always safe. Don't let your fitness journey be a story of plateaus and frustration. Make it a story of personalized success, of progress that you can see and feel. Experience the future of fitness. The AI personal trainer is waiting for you.